guys, welcome to another episode of Anatomy Corner. Today and for the next few posts we're going to be talking about all things hamstring. And one thing I'd like to discuss today is the difference between acute hamstring injuries and chronic hamstring injuries. As a lot of things can happen once you get busy in practice, things can start to happen by routine, can't they? And you can get into habits of just treating things in very similar ways. But an acute and a chronic hamstring injury, these things are two very, very different animals. So if you're looking at an acute hamstring injury that's only just happened, it's the first time that injury has occurred, take a minute to just think about what's happening underneath your hands. So you've got an acute muscle strain essentially that's trying to knit back together. You've got an inflammatory process that's quite a natural part of the hamstring healing process, or any muscle healing process. So your treatment approach is going to be to do drainage and reduce the inflammation around that tissue, perhaps work on the surrounding tissues, as opposed to a chronic hamstring is so much more complex. You've got to play a bit of a detective game to figure out, why does this patient's hamstring keep straining again and again? Why does this keep reoccurring? Why isn't it resolving? And hands-on treatment-wise, you're going to be dealing with tissue that probably has a build-up of scar tissue from recurrent strains and tears. So if you're going to be going ahead and implementing, which I very much suggest that you should, a strength and conditioning program, hands-on wise, you're wanting to break that scar tissue down for them so that they can get some new muscle growth from the strengthening program that you do. So just a short video there for you, just to put that underneath the microscope a little bit to the difference, quite a marked difference between an acute hamstring strain and a chronic hamstring strain. But just wanted to talk about it today, as if you're interested in sports injuries, this is one of the most common injuries that will come in your door. Okay guys, see you next time.